Kris, today with vehicle complexity and advancing technologies, it's changed so many things in our business, including the way that we have to prepare the client, the customer for their appointment. So I'm wondering, what are some of the things that you do at your shop that help to prepare that customer for their drop-off?
Yeah, no, it's definitely a lot. Things have changed. For us, we start with the customer with their payment responsibilities, and then kind of just letting them know like what their obligations are, and like how they're responsible for authorizing the repair, and then also any type of settlement there towards the at the end of the repair, and then also with all the technology changes that have come along.
Yeah, credit card fees, it's something we never had to talk about in the past. But even just getting the vehicle prepared, like filling it with gas, so that we can do a proper calibration, proper alignment. And I know with the EVs, and you do a lot of them, there's even more particular stuff with the EVs.
Yeah, no, with your EV, your phone is your key, right? So the key has changed. So it's not a physical key anymore. It's not a key fob. Your phone is the key, and then so you have a key card when you let the customers know, hey, make sure we bring us the key card and make sure your vehicle's not in valet mode so that we can access the vehicle.
Yeah, service mode's important because you certainly don't want the customer activating something on their vehicle while we're working on it.
Yeah, and the way we look at it is more just about the technician's safety, making sure that
Sure.
the vehicle is safe for them to work on, and making sure that they're not going to get damaged with somebody trying to remote start their car or turn on their air conditioning or go up and down with the window.
Yeah, sometimes just simple reminders of having the customer remove their valuables, especially in the area of repair. But there's so many things. It's like we need this checklist, right? So that our people can go over that with the customer and not feel mechanical, and make sure that they're still showing empathy. But there's a lot of things to consider.
Yeah, and that list is constantly changing, right? As technology advances, and just having good communication with your team, and then also with your client.
Yeah, but important.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by SCRS. If you aren't currently a member, I encourage you to join. Visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.